Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me another product. This is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video. Let's get straight to it. It's a cigar lighter. I love cigar lighters. If you've been watching my videos, you know I love cigar products at all because I love cigars. I love cigar products. Let's get straight to it. First, let's look at the packaging. This is a Zifi lighter. The packaging is great. The gift packaging, you can just get this for anybody who is a cigar aficionado. Their packaging is always superb. So don't be afraid to just get them and send it straight from Amazon to them, because this is a really nice package. So then you open it, take the thing out of there, and look at that lighter. How cool is that lighter? It's just a really cool looking lighter. Really cool looking lighter. And it's just an old-fashioned looking lighter. There's no it does have a place for a cigar holder right here on top, but it doesn't have a whole lot of other functions. A lot of the cigar lighters have huge multifunctional features and things like that. This is a lighter and a holder, but super classy. You pull that out, and that's just a really heavy and sophisticated. So don't be afraid to do that, and then you can just toast that up. So you can just toast the ends up. It's a very cool lighter. Go out and get it today. Zifi.